Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In today's fun-filled episode, we're diving into the wonderful world of farm animals. Are you ready to unleash your inner artist? Join us as we learn to draw adorable farm animals like rabbits, pigs, and sheep. Whether you're a beginner or a budding Picasso, our step-by-step tutorial will guide you through each drawing, making it easy and enjoyable. Feel free to leave me a message anytime. I'll do my best to create a video that helps you bring your drawing ideas to life. Did you know sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 other sheep and have excellent memories, allowing them to form close-knit groups? Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.